Sorry.
The reason I'm stopping you is when you turned on a 441 back there, you kind of just like rolled the red light back.
You have no reason to like breath test me. I didn't do anything against what you guys said. I gave you everything.
St. Petersburg, Florida. Intersection of Route 441 and Route 44. A driver is stopped after rolling a red light. The stop escalates into a DUI investigation and arrest. This analysis examines the legal framework governing every decision made during this encounter.
Hello.
Hi.
Deputy Road, Lake County Sheriff's Office. Oh, hello.
Hi. No, he's sweet.
Okay.
Sorry.
The reason I'm stopping you is when you turned on a 441 back there, you kind of just like rolled the red light past the bar and on the 441.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. You got your driver's license with you?
Yeah. Sorry. He totally
Is it
He's
just
a dog, yeah.
okay? Okay, I was wondering if there was somebody else back here.
Yeah, no, it's just him. I'm sorry, I was paying attention to him a little bit.
That's fine. Do you still live in St. Petersburg?
Yes.
Where are you coming from?
We're from Leesburg. Yeah.
Okay.
That's where we just picked him up.
Okay. You have insurance and registration in there as well?
On my phone.
That's fine.
Okay. I can't show you my insurance card until I get it up on here.
Oh, it's totally dead. Do you have your registration?
I don't know if I keep it in the car. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
No, I just got tags recently, so probably not.
Okay. All right, give me just a second, all right?
Yeah.
All right. So, a little bit worried about you. Have you
Why?
been drinking tonight?
No.
Not at all?
No.
How old are those empty cans in that box?
Old. There's a lot of trash. Yeah, I'm sorry. If you look in the back, it's the same way.
Okay. Like when are those from?
2 weeks ago at the beach when it was nice.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink tonight? Last night?
No.
Okay.
Did I give you a reason to? We just picked up Zoro from her mom's house.
Yeah.
So did I give you a reason to think I was drinking?
Yeah, your eyes, I can see every vein in your eyes. They're totally bloodshot. They're glassy. Your pupils are dilated. Your driving pattern's a little bit strange. Yeah. Like driving under the speed limit, kind of weaving within your lane. You roll through the red light. That's why I stopped you.
It was a yield.
No, it's a red light.
I thought that's what you said.
No, it was a red light right there at 441 and 44.
It's a red light. We just picked up Zora from her mom's house.
Okay.
I don't really know what gave you the.
So if I get a portable breath test out of my car right now and I give it to you, just to check to make sure you're safe to drive, it's going to show zeros across the board, 100%.
Well, no, you have no reason to breath test me.
Okay. But if you haven't drank anything, then shouldn't be concerned, right?
No, but I didn't give you a reason to think that.
Well, I just explained my reasons to you.
Because my eyes are bloodshot?
Uh-huh.
I have a lot of makeup on.
In your eyes?
But where does my house? My house is right here in Leesburg.
Okay.
It's 21 Avenue.
Okay.
That's all we're.
Have you been drinking?
No.
Nothing at all?
No.
So if I do the same thing and I give you the portable breath test, it's going to come back all zeros.
Okay. So
here's the thing. I asked you guys this question, and a sober person that said, hold on, listen. A sober person that's had absolutely nothing to drink is going to be like, yeah, absolutely, I'm going to blow into it. It's going to blow zeros. We're going to be good, and we're going home.
I just feel like I didn't give you a reason to.
And 100%.
We just picked her dog up from her mom's house, and we literally just left there.
No,
Okay.
I'm gonna be 100% honest. Yes, I have had a couple. I had 4 McUltras.
Okay, and you're not driving, so that's fine.
I've
That's
had
cool.
4 McUltras, probably all.
But I'm worried about you because you're driving.
There was nothing wrong with what I was doing.
No drinks whatsoever.
Nope.
Okay. Can I check your eyes?
Yeah.
Like.
But you have no reason to.
Can I have you come out and do field sobriety exercises to make sure you're safe to drive?
Can you tell me why?
I'm going to show you. Even better. The back of your driver's license, right? I guess on the front. Operation of a motor vehicle constitutes consent to any sobriety test required by law. Right there at the bottom.
Okay, that's what you want to do.
So listen to me. You have the right to. No, listen. You have the right to refuse.
Guys,
but I'm telling you what it says on your drive. Listen to me.
Up. What is
Nikki, listen.
drunk,
Listen to me.
clearly.
Okay.
What is your deal?
I'm telling you what it says on your driver's license.
Okay.
By signing your driver's license saying you're going to drive in the state of Florida or any of the 50 states in the United States, you're saying that you're agreeing to do these field sobriety exercises. You can refuse, however, if you refuse, I have to go based off my observations, and my observations right now lead me to believe that you're intoxicated.
I literally drove the speed limit. You have no reason to be upset about
anything. 39 and a 55 is the speed limit?
39 and a 55.
Uh-huh.
Do you see the dog that I have with me? Do you see him being the way that he is? So that's it.
Believe it or not, I work 16-hour shifts with a dog in my car, and I drive
I'm
pretty
sure
great
trained.
over it.
So no, I refuse.
Okay, you don't want to do anything? No. Okay, go ahead and step out for me.
Shut the fuck up. What is your problem?
No weapons on you?
Nope.
Okay. Do you have shoes?
Yes, in my car.
Okay.
He's sweet. He's a little big.
Okay.
Is that what you want me to do something in?
Well, I'm going to give you one more opportunity to do these field sobriety exercises. If you want to, and you're safe to drive, we can do that.
So here's the thing. What do you want from me?
That field sobriety exercise. I'm asking you if you're willing to come. Sure.
I just want to feel comfortable. I have a dog in my car, so if you were worried about what I'm doing in my car, it's because we had a dog in my front seat.
I absolutely nothing. This has nothing to do with the dog.
Right, but you're worried about me drinking. So I'm telling you why I was going.
Worried about you driving after drinking.
No, so I was driving the way I was because I had just picked up a dog.
Okay. And these.
What's your mom's address?
So Nikki, these field sobriety exercises are going to show me that you were driving because of the dog. You were driving that way because of the dog and not because of alcohol.
All right, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, give me just a second. Just wait here. No, we don't do that. I couldn't even do that sober. Okay, he's going to explain it to you.
You followed me all the way from there. You were looking.
I was
like
driving.
You followed me all the way from when I picked that dog up.
No.
Yes, you did.
No, I was at the gas station. I never saw you there.
Do me a favor. You stand with your hands to your side.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to have you do one more exercise, okay?
Did I just pass everything?
They're not pass or fail. We told you that.
No. Is that it?
No, there's
Got one more.
There's one more, okay?
Is that it legally?
These are all field sobriety exercises. All the things that I explained to you about your driver's license that you agree to for driving. Because I want to make sure that you're safe to drive.
Okay.
Okay, just like the last one, you're going to stand with your...
last thing.
You're going to... Feet together, arms straight down to your sides. Feet together. All right, when I tell you to, you're going to take your fingers with just your pointer finger out. Huh?
What? I don't need to do this. That's it.
Listen to the instructions.
I feel like you're like, what is your deal?
I'm trying to make sure that you're safe to drive and everybody else...
I just did the sobriety. I feel like you're giving me an extra...
I can show you the packet. There's more. After this one, we could do more, and I'm not going to do those.
Yeah, there's like 5 or 6 we can...
There's a lot more.
Okay.
Okay, when I tell you to, you're going to take just your pointer finger, and you're going to put your arms straight out like this.
Okay.
You're going to tilt your head back. You're going to close your eyes, and I'm going to say either left or right. When I say left or right, whichever one I say, you're going to take your pointer finger, you're going to touch it to your nose, the tip of your nose, and put it directly down to your side.
Okay.
Okay? Whenever I tell you we're done, whenever I tell you you're done, you can...
You know I'm nervous.
I understand. I'm not trying to make you any more nervous than you already are, okay?
Okay.
So when I tell you that we're done, then you
anything
can relax. But during the whole time of the exercise, make sure your head is tilted back, your eyes are closed,
What would you like?
and when you touch your pointer finger to the tip of your nose, you put it right back down to your side.
All right.
Okay? Feet together. All right, pointer fingers out, arms out, left. Back down to your side like I told you. Right. Remember, once you touch, put it right back down to your side.
Okay.
Left. Right. Left. Okay, relax.
Please.
Okay, he's going to explain to you.
Please.
So based on your performances here, I do believe that you are driving under the influence. So you're going to be placed under arrest. Put your arms behind your back. Put your hands together like you're praying. Other way, like palms together. There you go. And bring them down a little bit.
Just relax your arms. There you go.
There you go.
Do you have somebody that could come get the car?
Can you tell me why?
Because I don't want to tow your car.
No, I said why is my performance not capable of
We believe you're impaired beyond your normal faculties.
Did I not just do
Do
exactly?
not pull away from me.
I didn't do anything against what you guys said. I gave you everything.
Well, based on both of our observations, we believe that you're impaired beyond your normal faculties and is
Why?
unsafe to drive.
Because I didn't blow.
Well, no,
No,
you're,
I'm
you're
asking
gonna,
you
We're
what.
gonna go back here.
Delaware v. Prowse, 1979. A traffic stop is a Fourth Amendment seizure and requires, at minimum, reasonable, articulable suspicion of a violation. Rolling a red light under Florida Statute Section 316.074 provides unambiguous probable cause and satisfies this constitutional threshold from the outset of the stop. Florida Statute Section 316.1932 governs chemical testing administered after a lawful DUI arrest, breath, blood, and urine analysis. Its statutory scope does not extend to pre-arrest field sobriety exercises. Officers who cite this statute as authority for FST compliance are making a legally imprecise argument, even if the practical consequence they describe is accurate. Field sobriety exercises in Florida are legally voluntary. Under State v. Taylor Flaw, 1995. A driver's refusal to perform FSTs is admissible at trial as evidence of consciousness of guilt. Refusal is a constitutionally protected right. It is also a right with a direct and well-established evidentiary cost. Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 1977 established a per se rule. During a lawful traffic stop, an officer may order the driver to exit the vehicle without any additional justification. This authority requires no individualized suspicion beyond the stop itself and is grounded entirely in officer safety. The three NHTSA-validated standardized field sobriety tests are the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, the walk and turn test, and the one-leg stand test. Supplemental exercises such as the finger-to-nose test are recognized by Florida law enforcement but are not part of the validated SFST battery and carry reduced evidentiary weight at trial. Florida Statute Section 316.193 provides two independent pathways to DUI conviction: a blood alcohol level at or above 0.08, or proof that normal faculties were impaired. A chemical test is not a statutory prerequisite. The impairment of normal faculties pathway allows conviction based entirely on officer observations, documented physical indicators, and FST performance. Berkemer v. McCarty, 1984 routine traffic stops are not custodial for Miranda purposes. Pre-arrest roadside questioning does not trigger Fifth Amendment obligations. Any admissions or denials made during a roadside DUI investigation are admissible without prior Miranda advisement. Lessons learned: officers must precisely distinguish between Section 316.1932, implied consent for chemical tests, and the voluntary nature of pre-arrest FSTs. For drivers, sustained denial under roadside questioning without counsel carries greater legal risk than invoking the Fifth Amendment right to silence. Under Section 316.193, impairment can be proven without a breathalyzer. Under State vs. Taylor, refusal itself becomes evidence.